Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will review about a skincare product called Estelin Vitamin C Brightening Face Serum. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Estelin Vitamin C Brighten Serum promotes a more flawless complexion infused with advanced vitamin C and golden turmeric for instant vitality and antioxidant defense. Vitamin C is a naturally occurring antioxidant that is known to fight free radicals on skin surface and ultimately protect your skin from visible damage that you see in the mirror as fine lines and uneven skin tone, leaving your skin complexion looking brighter and nurtured. Estelin Vitamin C Brightening Serum contains turmeric, which is very good to the face, and it helps to brighten the face, leaving it smooth and fresh. For those who suffering from different types of skin reactions, the Estelin Vitamin C Brightening Serum will promote your face, making it flawless. How to use Estelin Vitamin C Brightening Serum. After cleansing in the morning or evening, take 3 to 4 drops to smear evenly on face, and gently massage with middle finger points and ring finger points until absorbed. Suitable for daily use or before applying your makeup or foundation, or as a mask, it can be used as an effective primer. Precaution. For external use only, please keep out of reach of children, avoid placing it in direct sunlight, please keep it in a cool and dry place. Avoid direct contact with the eyes. If contact occurs, rinse with water. Benefits of using Estelin Vitamin C Brightening Serum. 1. It brightens the face. 2. It an antioxidant and whitening serum. 3. It lightens dark spots. 4. It helped to fight free radicals on skin surface. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.